Joey.
And there he is. I believe, Ver?
Yeah.
Okay, kinukuhanan kita para ma-record natin. Okay? Yan si Ver Virata. In his beautiful home.
Si Oy po ay naman sa mga hindi kasama si...
Oh, ito ha. This is now, what time is it? Ano oras?
1:30,
Almost
almost 1:30.
1:30 p.m. Pareho kami ni Danny. We were caught up in the heavy traffic on the toll. Kaya, even though I arrived ahead, late din ako, si Danny is here now. Ayan, ayan si Ver on the left, chummies and sisters. That's Danny in the middle, and that is Marcy beside him. Itong bahay nila. Alright, I hope that all you guys will see this later on. Alright, ano man ito. Alright, now I'm coming. Ayan, si Ver, receiving Edgar Ednacot. Sila pala maka-generation according to Ver. O makasunod, kung di man yan dati. Sino yung very beautiful, ano pangalan?
Sandy.
Ha?
Sandy.
Sandy?
Yeah.
Okay, ayan ha. Oh. Sige, go ahead, Danny. Ayan, oh. See?
Hindi na kita makikilala sa labas.
Ayan. Edgar and Danny are chatting right now. And that is the dining table waiting for us na kumain ng kumain.
Napakadami siya. Ikaw hindi ka nagsasabi mo.
Aga ko magusin. Nag-iho pa ako ng sautin.